In this particular tutorial, I will teach you step by step how you can create your own handwritten signature. The first thing you need to do is to sign on a plain paper. Take a picture of your signature and then export it onto your laptop. You can export by using AirDrop, by sharing it via Gmail, or by using a USB to connect it to your laptop and then export the picture. The next thing we need to do is to open the document where you will be inserting the signature. In this case, you open Microsoft Word, then you open the document where you would want to insert this particular image. In this instance, I want to insert the signature right below this particular document. So you place your cursor at the location where you would want to insert your signature. Then you head over to insert. Then you navigate your mouse to pictures and click on the drop down. You can select the photo from file, which is your desktop, because that was where you exported the image. It can also be in your downloads. So you click on picture from file. Then we are going to select this particular picture that is on our desktop and you click on insert. We will go ahead and adjust the size of this particular image. So you click on it and then at the edges, you use your mouse to drag the image to the size that you prefer. So now that we have something like this, we head over to picture format. When you insert a picture, you get this new tab that helps you to edit your picture. And then we head over to color. We want to change the color of this particular image to something light. So we can select this. So now that we have this, we head over to remove background. We want to remove the background of the image so that it will be left with only our signature. So we head over to remove background. Then we mark areas to keep. You select mark areas to keep. Then you go ahead and select keep changes and we have something like this. After removing the background, you head over to color. So you are still at picture format, this tab, picture format, and then we are going to change the color again because we don't want to be seeing this inside our signature. Once again, if you want to have that plain background signature, make sure that you sign on a white piece of paper. I did not sign on a white piece of paper. That is why I am having this, but we can do some changes to it. So you go over to the recolor option, then you select black and white. So it's going to give us this particular signature plain without any issues. And then you can stretch it by using this particular option. You click on the image and then you drag with your mouse to the length that you prefer. Okay, you select the image and you use your mouse, you click and hold and drag to the option that you prefer. So this is how you create your own handwritten signature. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. After you are done with all these changes, in case you want to add a text beneath the signature, you can also do that by just typing. So you click on the image and then we resize. So we are going to crop this a little bit. Before you add a text, make sure that you add a shape so that when you do that, you can drag the image or the text beneath the signature. So we go over to insert once again, then under shapes, we're going to select shapes. Then we select any shape at all. So let's select this. Then we are going to draw a mini shape right beneath the signature. So we're going to hold this and drag it beneath the signature. Okay. Then we reduce it a little bit. Then we are going to change it to plain. Then you go ahead to type the title that you want over there. So I'll just go ahead and type my title. After adding your title, you can crop this a little bit. Okay. And then we decrease it a little bit. You can also increase the size, so the font size. Okay, so you can change the font size here and you make sure that you expand this. Okay, so after adding your title, we don't want this outline, this green outline, to be showing beneath our signature. So you click inside this particular box. Okay, then you head over to the shape format option. Then under this option that says shape outline, you click beneath the drop down and then you select no outline. Then you have this look. So this is how you can create your own handwritten signature. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. Make sure to also share this video to help somebody, okay? And do well to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.